Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. My name is Ahmad Nazri Shabi Muhammad Nazri, the student ID 2023217576 from the AS201 program. Today, I will be presenting my BIO661 animal behavior assignment on the communication and social behavior of the ostrich, Camelus. The objective of this presentation are to introduce the ostrich and its ecology, explain the communication methods used by ostriches, discuss the social behavior observed during our fieldwork, and relate this observation to the concept learned in animal behavior. The animal that I observed is the ostrich, scientifically known as Camelus, which belongs to the family Strutionidae. The ostrich is the largest living bird in the world, with adults reaching between 2.1 and 2.8 meters in height and weight between 90 and 150 kilograms. Although it is a bird, it cannot fly because its body is too heavy for its wing to support. Instead, it has evolved long muscular legs that enable it to run at the speeds up to 70 km per hour, making it the fastest running bird on land. Its long neck and large eyes provide an excellent field of vision, allowing it to detect predators from great distances. Another unique characteristic is its two-toed feet, which improve balance and running efficiency. Male ostriches have black feathers with white wing and tail feathers, while female have grayish-brown plumage that provides better camouflage, especially during nesting. Some interesting facts about ostriches include the fact that they lay the largest eggs of any living bird, have the largest eyes among land vertebrates, and are the only living birds with the two toes on each foot. Ostriches naturally inhabit open savannas, grasslands, semi-desert regions, and dry woodlands across Africa. These open habitats are well suited to ostriches because they allow them to detect predators from long distances using their excellent eyesight. Since ostriches cannot fly, they depend on early detection and rapid running to escape from predators. Ostriches are omnivores, meaning they consume both plants and animal matter. Their diet mainly includes grasses, leaves, seeds, flowers, and fruits. They also feed on insects such as grasshoppers and beetles, and occasionally eat small reptiles or rodents. One interesting feeding adaptation is that ostriches swallow small stones called gristolites. These stones remain in the gizzard and help grind food because ostriches do not have teeth. They are also capable of surviving several days without drinking water by obtaining moisture from the plants they consume. The ostrich is native to Eastern and Southern Africa, including countries such as Kenya, Tanzania, Namibia, Botswana, and South Africa. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN, the common ostrich is currently classified as least concern, which means its overall population is considered stable. However, some local populations are declining due to several threats, including habitat fragmentation, illegal hunting, egg collection, agriculture expansion, and increasing human disturbance. Conserving ostriches is important because they contribute to biodiversity, assist in seed dispersal, support ecosystem balance, and provide economic benefits through ecotourism. Communication is the process by which one animal transfers information to another through different types of signals. According to animal behavior theory, communication can occur through visual, auditory, tactile, and chemical signals. However, ostriches mainly rely on visual and auditory communication as they are active during the daytime and inhabit open environments. The first communication method is visual communication. During our field observation, I noticed that the ostrich frequently stretches its neck upward, maintain an upright posture, and change its body orientation while observing its surroundings. These visual signals help the ostrich detect predators, communicate alertness to nearby individuals, and establish dominance. Male ostriches also spread their wings during the breeding season. These displays are important during courtship because they attract females and demonstrate the male's health and fitness. The second communication method is auditory communication. Male ostriches produce deep booming calls during courtship and territorial defense. They may also hiss when feeling threatened. Chicks use soft contact calls to communicate with their parents and remain close to the group. These vocalizations help warn against danger, attract mates, and maintain communication among Finally, tactile communication occurs through physical contact. It is commonly observed during courtship, mating, and parental care. Adult ostriches guide and protect their chicks through close physical interaction, strengthening social bonds and improving offspring survival. Social behaviors refer to interactions between individuals of the same species that improve their survival and reproductive success. During our observation, the ostriches were often seen walking together, feeding together, and resting close to one another. This indicates the ostriches benefit from living in small groups. Group living provides several advantages. When multiple individuals are together, they can share the responsibility of watching the predators, while one ostrich remains alert by raising its head and scanning the surroundings. The others can continue feeding safely. This behavior increases vigilance, improves predator detection, reduces individual risk, and allows more efficient foraging. Another important social behavior is courtship. Male ostriches perform elaborate courtship display by spreading their wings, shaking their feathers, moving their necks, and performing a circular dance around the female. These displays help females access the quality of potential mates while reducing the need for aggressive competition between males. Parental care is also an important aspect of ostrich social behavior. Ostriches practice communal nesting. When several females lay eggs in a shared nest, the dominant male usually incubates the eggs at night because his black feathers provide camouflage in darkness, while the female incubates the eggs during the day because her brown feathers blend with the surrounding environment. After hatching, both parents work together to protect and guide the chicks, increasing their chance of survival. In conclusion, the ostrich demonstrate a variety of communication methods, particularly visual, auditory, and tactile communication, which helps individuals avoid predators, attract mates, and care for their offspring. Their social behaviors, including group living, courtship displays, communal nesting, and cooperative parental care, contribute significantly to their survival and reproductive success. Although the common ostrich is currently classified as a species of least concern, conservation efforts remain important to address threats such as habitat loss, illegal hunting, and human disturbance. By understanding the communication and social behavior of ostriches, we gain valuable insight into how behavioral adaptations enable animals to survive and thrive in their natural environment. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope it's enhanced your understanding of the communication and social behavior of the ostrich. Thank you and have a wonderful day.